Speaking of GTA.
GTA 6 water physics look absolutely unreal in a new leak. I thought we weren't supposed to be leaking GTA anymore.
Yeah,
Will,
although I looked over it, it doesn't seem like a leak.
not as leaky.
It's just kind of like showcasing technology.
Isn't it interesting that it's you seem defensive, Will. Isn't it?
One thing.
You know, we're talking about water in this new leak.
Water is hard.
No, but water in a new leak.
Oh, I gotcha.
Do you got me, Will? Yeah. The wait for Grand Theft Auto 6 continues, and Rockstar Games has said or indicated, I guess, that there's no major delays based on previous leaks. It was weird the way their language around it. We talked about it on this show, how it sort of made it seem that the game was on track. But of course, everyone's paranoid that it's not on track at all, and it's going to take forever. But anyway, I guess we have a look here at some water physics.
Yeah.
And it's not extremely leaky.
So here it is.
NVIDIA.
Look at that.
Oh, we have it's a French. Oof. Damn, dude, that is lovely. You know, imagine the complexity in that stuff right there.
Yeah.
They put the big boulder in the middle to showcase
physics,
how sick their physics are. They're like, look where it hits the boulder and falls off of it.
But you can kind of see the bubbles. They foam and then they dissipate.
It's lovely stuff.
There's caustic effects there.
Easy, Will. Easy there. You're taking it a bit far there. You're getting people turned on with the caustic.
You can kind of see the sand interact with the water and kind of like just kind of like the water melting into the sand.
We got a comment here that it looks too shiny. Do you agree?
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
a little too shine.
Yeah, they can tweak the specularity.
Imagine trying to nail something like this. Like, just, a little too shiny, a little too matte, a little too dull, a little too vibrant, a little too colorful, a little too. Oh, either way, just the movement, impressive. If I'm on the beach in GTA and this is what's going on,
that's your whole game.
If I'm on the Sea-Doo in GTA, I'm getting nothing done. I'm just looking around and moving around. I'm getting nothing done, which is good, which is exactly what I want in a game. I want to be immersed to the extent that I forget what I'm even up to. As reported by Dexerto, insider Alex Venturas claims that Rockstar San Diego has around 20 engineers working to exclusively make GTA 6's water physics as realistic as possible ahead of its time, adding that Rockstar have invested in new technologies which are being integrated into the development. I bet. There's so much writing on this. I bet that they are investing in such things.
Yeah. Exciting stuff.